Today's video, I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy pizza recipe. So if you want to see how, just stay tuned. To a bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of water, active dry yeast. I'm going to be using a whole packet of that active dry yeast. Then add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. And just stir it up. And wait a few minutes for it to activate.
As you can see, it's starting to bubble, so now we can add our 1 tablespoon of oil.
Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Slowly add in your 2 cups of flour. We're going to stir in the first cup first before we add the second cup of flour. Stir it all together. Now we're going to add the second cup of flour. Let's take our time and slowly incorporate all of this.
So your dough may be kind of sticky. If this is the case, grab 1/2 cup of flour and slowly incorporate it as needed, gradually mixing it until you form a ball. Then we're going to transfer it to a clean surface, add a little more flour, and take our time to knead the dough in.
This is how our dough looks. So stretchy, you guys. Now we're going to add some more flour to our surface and we're going to knead this.
Knead it for a few extra minutes. It doesn't require a lot of kneading. Then divide it into 4 pieces. Form the dough into a ball, then roll it out. Oil, then add cornmeal to your pan to prevent sticking. Add a little more oil to the top. Then we're going to poke some holes in this dough and then place to the side, and repeat this for the rest of your dough. Great thing about making homemade pizza dough is that you can also freeze them for later use. So this is how your dough should look after 1 to 2 minutes. We don't want it well done because we're going to add the rest of our toppings. And now we're going to move on to baking our sauce.
Okay, so we're going to add 1 can of tomato paste to the bowl. I usually like to add some water to it just to make sure I get everything. So this is 1 cup of water. Take your time and add the 1 cup of water. Add 1/3 cup of either canola oil, olive oil, or avocado oil. 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
1/2 teaspoon of black pepper.
And 1 tablespoon of oregano.
1 tablespoon of sugar.
Okay, so we're just gonna put this sauce to the side for a little bit. We're gonna go grab our pizzas. Okay, so now we're just gonna add about a tablespoon of sauce to this pizza. Just enough to make a thin layer of this sauce on there. We don't want too much sauce on here. Try not to get the edges. I'm just going to be using a handful of this mozzarella. I'm just going to sprinkle it on there. And then some shredded Parmesan cheese, which is optional. Let's do the same thing to this little pizza, individual pizza. The great thing about this is that since the dough is baked a little bit, you don't have to worry about your crust getting like super soggy unless that's what you like. Now we're just gonna plop these in the oven and we'll be right back.
usually like to add some Italian seasoning to my pizza and then some added Parmesan cheese, but this is totally up to you.
Okay, so this is the pizza. Look at this, you guys. It looks so yummy. Wow. And it's all homemade. So now for the taste, count the taste of. It's so good. So if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up and also don't forget to subscribe below. Again, I make new recipes every single week and I can't wait to see you guys in the next one. Bye.